Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share Instagram comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then go to some post that has comments, and let me find out some post. I can just stop at view all that two comments at that post, and now if I want to share that comments to someone, all I have to do is just stop at this airplane icon and then select whom I want to share these comments to. I'm just gonna select that user and hit on send. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.